Understanding VPNs, what and why.
A virtual private network, or VPN, is a service that encrypts your internet connection and hides your online identity. People use VPNs for privacy, security, or to access content that may be restricted in their region. Before picking a VPN, it's essential to know what you need and how a VPN can help you achieve your goals.
Identify your top priorities.
Consider why you want a VPN. Are you most concerned about privacy, streaming content, bypassing censorship, or securing public Wi-Fi? Some VPNs specialize in speed, others in security or specific features. Clarifying your main purpose will help you filter out options that don't fit your needs.
Check key features to compare.
Look for important features like strong encryption, a no-logs policy, server locations, and speed. Make sure the VPN offers apps for your devices, such as Windows, Mac, Android, and iOS. Bonus features like kill switches, split tunneling, and ad blocking may also be important depending on your preferences.
Evaluate speed and performance.
Speed matters, especially if you plan to stream, game, or make video calls. Check for providers with a reputation for fast, stable connections. Some VPNs offer free trials or money-back guarantees, allowing you to test their speed and reliability before committing.
Consider cost and customer support.
VPN prices vary widely. Free VPNs often have limited features or slower speeds, while paid options offer better performance and security. Read reviews, check refund policies, and see if they have 24/7 customer support. Choosing a service with good support can make a big difference if you run into issues.
Make your choice and get started.
Once you've weighed your options, select the VPN that best fits your privacy, speed, and budget needs. Follow the provider's instructions to download, install, and set up your VPN on your devices. Regularly update your VPN app to stay protected and get new features.